clear. We want to make you proud. We need to make you proud. We will make you proud. We earned what we learned, and we earned your trust. We want to make you proud. We have learned new things. We want to make you proud. We need to make you proud. We will make you proud. You brought us to this point so we can succeed. We grew like a seed to follow our dreams because of you. We want to make you proud. We need to make you proud. We will make you proud. We will keep on